Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you don't know me, my name is Matt Bogosian. I'm a real estate agent right here in Thompson Station, Tennessee. And I've got a pretty big announcement today. I received an email earlier this morning from Phillips Builders, and they let me know that they're going to be releasing 69 lots in Tollgate Village here in Thompson Station. Now, you might be saying, oh, wow, big deal, who cares? They have been sitting on these lots for years. These are basically the last single-family home lots in Tollgate available to build on, and they were waiting on Thompson Station to give them the permits to be able to build, and it has taken years. Phase 1 is going to be 28 lots. 8 of those are going to be spec homes that they're saying should be complete around November or October. And then the remaining 20, people can choose their lot, choose their plan, and build the home that they want. I'm standing basically in the area where the 28 lots are, and I really like this row back here behind me. They've got woods back there behind them. Sure, they're just quarter-acre lots. You're not going to get half-acre, acre lots here, but that's not really what you get in a neighborhood like Tollgate Village. Tollgate Village is a mixed-use development. They've got retail, they've got condos, they've got townhomes, they've got big single-family homes, little ones, shotgun style, all different styles of houses. It's that type of neighborhood. If you're someone that likes to be social, meet other people, be around other people, I think this is the place for you. All right, so back to Phillips Builders and back to these homes. They're gonna be releasing 5 different floor plans, and they're gonna range anywhere from around 2,700 square feet up to approximately 3,900 square feet. Pricing in phase 1 is gonna be in the 700s to the 900s. But keep in mind, that does not include your lot premium, which those range anywhere from $12,000 to $30,000. And then it doesn't include your upgrades as well. So I would expect somebody to spend another $150,000. That's like you getting everything and really decking the house out on top of the base price. So that puts us what? 8, starting in maybe 9 and going up to like 1.15 on the pricing, which is very much in line with pricing here in Thompson Station. And check this out. Look at the names here. I think this is so cool. Listen to the names here of these lots. You've got the Melon Camp. All right, just listen to this. You'll start seeing a theme here. The Fleetwood, okay, I like it. The Presley, okay. The Styles, and then this last one, I don't know who or what this is referring to. So if you do, please let me know in the comments below. You've got the Valley, V-A-L-L-I. I could be pronouncing that wrong. I have a ton of detail that they emailed me. I've got all the pricing, I've got all the lots, I've got the map showing where the lots are, I've got the lot premium pricing, I've got all the floor plans, like I've got everything in digital format, including the email they sent me with all the details about your deposit. They don't accept home sale contingencies, they need you to get pre-approved, just all of that stuff. They're planning on starting to write contracts on May 23rd, and in the email, they said they've got the capacity to build or write 4 contracts per month. So they're not gonna be selling them super fast, but I'm assuming those 4 are gonna sell out fairly quickly. So you see what I'm saying? They're not releasing everything at once. So what that's gonna do is that's gonna increase demand every month because they're only gonna have 4. So builders have gotten smart. They don't just release every single lot these days. They release everything slowly. So guys, once again, my name's Matt Bogosian. I hope this video was helpful. If you're thinking about moving here to Thompson Station, I'll leave a link down in the description. That will take you to my calendar, and then you can book a time and day to jump on a call. Thank you. Bye.